Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access the search tab in your Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Accessing the search button in Gmail. If you are a new user, it might be a little bit confusing, but it is actually a very easy process. So, before we proceed into this video, like this video and comment your thoughts. Now, let's get into this video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail application. After opening the Gmail application, you can see the search tab at the top. Just simply click into the search tab, and you can search any of your emails. You can select labels from here and also use this tab if you want to search for a specific person's email. You can also select attachments and dates, and if the email is unread or read. By following these very easy steps, you can easily search your emails in Gmail by accessing the search tab. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, consider subscribing to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. And yeah, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.